that every time somebody does something and because of that he gets success, that does not mean that you do the similar thing and you will also get the similar kind of success. One of my friend has lost huge chunk of money. Do you know what is the reason? The reason was his survivorship bias. Survivorship bias means that you overestimate your own potential. ये काफी dangerous चीज है जो अगर आप अपना खुद के potential को overestimate करोगे तो you are going to lose. Let me give you one example so that you can understand that what is the real meaning of survivorship bias. Let us say one of your friends comes to you and asks you to invest in his own startup. He does a good presentation in front of you. He shows you all the facts, figures, industry data, economics, everything. He puts a wonderful business model in front of you. You are impressed and he tries to sell you that this is going to be your next Google. And you as a potential investor, you will invest. You are tempted to invest. You think that yes, this is the next Google. This is the next Microsoft. Now that is where the problem lies. वही लोग मार खा जाते हैं कि उनको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हर बार he will not be able to find out a next Google or Microsoft, or any or every investment can never be a next Google or Microsoft. To become next Google or Microsoft, what are the things which has to be done and what has been done needs to be cleared properly. Second thing is that every time somebody does something and because of that he gets success, that does not mean that you do the similar thing and you will also get the similar kind of success. There are different variables in play. So the real meaning of survivorship bias is that you overestimate your own inner potential. So let us take an example of Nifty 50. Nifty 50 represents top Indian 50 companies. Now they are the survivors. They are the survivors of the entire economic cycles. Every hindrances, every hurdles, every problems, every issues, every governments, everything they have survived out of it. So they are the real survivors. Now you cannot estimate that the company where you are investing your money is going to be next Nifty 50 stock. So that is the bias which most of the investors don't understand. That is called survivorship bias, and we deal with that every day. Now, how do you come out from the survivorship bias? The first thing you do is you need to research. You need to research thoroughly that what are the traits, क्या चीजें यहाँ पे अभी एग्जीक्यूट हुई है और उसमें मैंने कौन सी चीज बेस्ट की है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करो, उसको कहीं पे नोट डाउन करो, डायरेक्ट वर्जन रेडी करो. उसके साथ आपको एक और चीज करनी है, वो ये चीज है कि आपको फेलियर्स को भी एनालाइज करना है. जैसे आज आपने देखा होगा कि लेटेस्ट से देयर इज वन गूगल, बट हाउ मेनी अदर स्मॉल गूगल्स हैव फेल्ड. How many? There are hundreds or millions of examples that these are the companies which have failed. Nobody highlights them. Media is not interested in failures. Media is always interested in success stories. That's what they pitch you. That's what you are surrounded with. So your duty is, as an investor, as a researcher, your duty becomes that you need to analyze somebody's mistakes also. You need to do that. Dig up their graves and find out that what has gone wrong there. So either you spend a lot of time behind researching things, or else you come to people like us. People like us who are 100% involved in the market. Our core duty and core responsibility is to understand the failures and successes of the companies. So this is what we do day in, day out. That's what we are here for.